This is On Tilt Trading with today's live crypto market analysis and trade strategy. This is the New York PM session. Today is July 24th, 2025. I'm currently short in Bitcoin. Chopped myself up a bit this morning. Took a short here. But this trade right here, this was not in my trade book. This was a break of structure that I took that I wound up stopping out here when this buy side delivery with displacement came in. So then I took a long based on this fair value gap. Took the long about right here, which would have been a 3-to-1 to my target. Wound up stopping out at break even right here as there was this market structure shift here on the 15-minute. And now in a short position here, two targets, one the rebalance of this fair value gap here, and the other the rebalance of this fair value gap here. I'm uncertain if I'm reading the market correctly, but I am targeting especially in the afternoon, but I believe I'm going to start doing it in the morning as well, targeting the sweeps of liquidity ranges, just experimenting with different ICT concepts, but it seems to me the simplest concept just being looking for sweeps of the previous session and then likely just trading the opposite direction. So seeing here, seeing a sweep here, this is the high of the previous session here, and you can see this high is swept. You can see price is delivered to the sell side here, or say more accurately, pulls back, consolidates, another sell leg, buy side delivery, consolidating now. And now I would anticipate some sell side delivery, potentially sweeping this sell side liquidity that's resting right here at this level, and potentially sweeping as low as attacking the sell side liquidity that's here. But at least I would expect this area to be targeted. So this is what I'm doing right now. And if I would have been looking at this methodology earlier in the day, I would certainly have a short bias, but would have likely targeted this fair value gap rebalance and would still be in the trade waiting where this targeting this fair value gap would likely be a bit more appropriate. But I want to target fair value gaps on the opposing side of equilibrium. So now I'm just going to do my best to watch the 15-minute chart, look for swing highs or swing lows to be taken out, the liquidity in those areas to be taken out, and then to take a trade in the opposing direction, targeting liquidity. And you can see coming into this, there's fair value gap formations all over the place today. Here, getting the buy side delivery, and the sell side delivery here, and here there being a fair value gap there. And then you can see price trading right back up into that fair value gap there. But this was outside of my trade window here. So I never took this position, but it's set up. And you can see here the buy side, the sell side, and the fair value gap right here. So seeing the formation here, not getting the market structure shifts coming in with these. So they wouldn't suit my typical setup. These would be, I believe, considered aggressive entries. But now, as I mentioned again, just trading sweeps off of levels here. So seeing this type of trading here, I usually get myself chopped up, or I would say I chop myself up trying to trade these pullbacks and things like this. So in this instance, looking for the potential sweep here of this level, getting the sweep here, and then seeing this swing come in here. So when I see these swings, to me these signal the potential short, because you're seeing the price action fail here. So looking for these swings in price here, forming these gaps, and then targeting liquidity. So I could just target liquidity here, but I want to target these fair value gaps. And even though this would be the nearest liquidity, to me this area would want to target, or at least with this fair value gap here was traded into. I'm interested to see if there's a rebalance available there. So working on taking trades from the edges of ranges. So right now, looking at the overall range is here. This being the overall range formed here since the open, and then if we back up here, this being the pretty much the overall range on the day here set back here pre-London, like Frankfurt, almost with the open here. And still getting a bit of sell side delivery here, price trading at 119,000. Still keeping trade size small as I'm making many errors every day. Still trading, but getting better and trying to really focus in on what is working as opposed to just what can be done. Getting some continued sell side delivery here. So seeing this sell side here, we're seeing this low being taken out. I would look for a potential long, which we see set up here. And then this is taken out here. I'm missing a session. I was like, I know something's missing here. Here. Oddly enough, it seems like I do the opposite. I'm likely to make money as opposed to what I think I understand doing it and then losing money. So this opposite thing is not so bad. This is not coming out well. Getting some continued sell side delivery here. Bitcoin trading at 118,950. Used a really tight stop loss on these positions. So both of the stop losses are the same. I placed a stop loss above this number 3 candle in this swing high. So seeing these market structure shifts come in here, they typically lead to a trade back to the equilibrium at least. Some trades I leave on too long, some I don't leave on long enough. See which one this is. But with anticipating the potential sweep of liquidity, this sell side liquidity here, the next reasonable target would be a rebalance of this fair value gap, but neither one of these targets need to be reached. Price could consolidate or pull back here after rebalancing, or it could just simply pull back here and be delivered to the buy side. But this is the afternoon. Whatever's going to happen is likely going to happen on the slower side of things. So I will let this trade play out, and hopefully I'll be able to take some profits here. But this is On Tilt Trading with today's live crypto market analysis and trade strategy.